Hey guys, do you have a Jeep Wrangler and you're trying to find the absolute best replacement 7-inch headlights, guys? Well, in this video, I have successfully found them. I have done so much research on lights and I have literally found the best, brightest halos ever, guys. Unreal how nice these are. They look absolutely beautiful. Also, the beam pattern on these is absolutely perfect. None of the light spills over, and the high beams are absolutely mind-blowing on these guys. If you've never heard of these lights right here, guys, Mictuning J1 phospherus. These are mind-blowing lights, guys. It's hard to explain how good they are without you actually seeing them in real life. I am ultra happy with these guys. I do have a very long video on them. There will be a link at the end where I show everything about them, beam pattern, etc., even a little bit of installation. But these are amazing, guys. Also, check this out. Let me turn the blinker on. Check it out. The blinker is built right into the light. How awesome is that? So if you want to get 15% off on these guys, look in the description. And if you want to check out the long video that it shows everything, click on the link up here. All right, and here we are after, and I mean, night and day, as you can see. Look at that, guys. So that is the before. Unreal. These lights are absolutely amazing. They have the best beam pattern, and these are the brightest lights I have ever seen in my life. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody, the search is over.